creating new pandas column based on conditions, but the values do not generate. I am trying to accomplish a simple task, creating a new column in a pandas data frame based on the conditions of other columns. I have consulted other posts, for example, this very popular one, but also others that took different approaches, but have been unsuccessful. The problem I am having now is that only the last value defined in my function is returned in the new column. For example, I have the following column. I want to add a new column of labels thusly. Here is the most recent attempts code. Now, while I do not get any errors, when I apply the function to the data frame, it only returns the last value, i.e., -99. This is also true for other functions I have tried, and when I tried to use df.lock, Python would not copy any of the values to the new column, although no errors were present. I am confused and at a loss. To me, and based on the other examples I have tried, it appears the code should work. Any help is greatly appreciated.
You can use numpy.select. You can replace something with the value which should appear when the conditions are not met.
You can try more simple version.